Hi Dominique, this is how I do a sway test and it gives me yes or no answers. So you get grounded, feel yourself balanced, your feet are straight and pointing forward, heels are pointing straight back, shoulders down. Let's come into like a Tadasana where you're standing nice and straight and you ask, is my name Susie? Okay, I feel myself go forward. And then you say a fake name. Is my name George? I just feel a little pull backwards. I feel it's rest in my heels. Show me a yes. Because some people go backwards for yes. Show me a yes. Okay, I felt it actually in my heart go forward. Show me a no. Show me a no. Oh, there I feel myself go back on my heels just a little bit. It's just such a slight movement. But practice yes and no a lot. Some people's yes is they tip back and their no is they tip forward. You can also sometimes feel like some swaying and that's like a big I don't know. And you can just find things like that. It's like, where did I set my keys? Are my keys upstairs? You know, yep. Are my keys in the kitchen? Yep. You know, things like that. So it's fun to play with. That's what works best for me, and like I can tune into my body and I don't have to be looking for my pendulum. But good luck with that, and your body knows. Okay, how it's hanging. You ask it.
Show me yes. Show me no.
Ask for a yes again.
Show me yes. Show me no.
So a circle for yes and back and forth for no.